Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items for free and made over $7 buying it all. So of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that here in just a moment. I'm also going to show you how I chose to use my Spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, and I also had a Spend 15, get $3 in Walgreens cash paper booster, and I do stack those boosters, so I'll talk with you about that as well. At the very end of the video, I will show you the items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. All right, so let's dive into these awesome deals this week. So this one I posted over on my Instagram, Save with Christina, a few days ago, but it is still a go deal if you want to do it. These little Mentos bottles are priced at 79 cents, and the Checkout 51 app is giving back 75 cents on each of these, and it's a limit of 5. So I grabbed 5 of these at 4 cents each, or 20 cents total, and I think they're super cute and great to throw in the car. I also grabbed what everyone can grab this week. These Airhead Ropes are priced at $1.49, and there is a register reward for $1.49 back when you purchase one. So that's already free. And I did it this morning. I had 0 issues with the register reward printing. But there is also an Ibotta offer for $1 back, making this a $1 moneymaker. Now, my Ibotta app also had a 25 cent back on any receipt. So I got an additional 25 cents back on Ibotta, making it a $1.25 moneymaker for me. But super awesome deal on these. I posted a complete tutorial on the Ibotta app. So if you're curious about how to use it or what it's like, please check out that video because I walk you through very slowly how to use that app. And I'll post a link to that down in the video description box below. While you're on the candy aisle, you might want to look for these Fruitellas. These are $2.99 each, but they are buy one, get one free this week. So it would be $2.99 for both of them, but there is $1 back on Ibotta. And so when you purchase 2 of these, you're gonna get $2 back on Ibotta, making both bags 99 cents or 49 cents each. So for me, I lucked out. I only needed one more Ibotta offer to hit my spice bonus. So the Airheads got me there. So I got an additional $5 back from Ibotta for hitting that bonus. And it unlocked a new bonus for me. So that was fun. Another great deal this week is on the soft soap, hand soap. This is priced buy one, get one half off. And buy 4, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So when you purchase 4 of these, you will pay $5.96 for all 4. I had a 75 cent digital coupon clipped to my card, so I paid $5.21. I got $4 back in Walgreens cash, making all 4 of them $1.21 or just 30 cents each. So if you need some hand soap or you want to donate some to a school or a local organization, 30 cents each is a great price. A really simple freebie is on this Febreze Plug-In. It's priced at $3. There is a $3 digital coupon, making this item completely free. Now, I did this as a curbside deal. I'm assuming it would work in store, but if you've done it in store, let me know down below how that worked out for you. I had 2 different Febreze $3 coupons. I had this one, and then I had a just for you $3 Febreze coupon as well. I grabbed this Unstoppables fabric refresh. It's $3.99 minus that $3 coupon. I paid 99 cents for this bottle, and I thought it would be, good to have on hand at the house. So I'm excited to try that product. The oral care deals. Colgate, of course, we always get free toothpaste, right? Colgate this week is buy 2, get $2 in Walgreens cash. And the items are priced at $2.99. So I grabbed one toothpaste at $2.99. I grabbed one toothbrush at $2.99. Now I did this because there is a $2 digital for the toothpaste and there's a $2 digital for the toothbrush. So I paid $1.98. I got back $2 in Walgreens cash, making them both free. Now let me talk to you about the deals here. Now there are a number of items that qualify for buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. And so I did 2 different deals of buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I bought 6 and I got $10 in Walgreens cash back. So you can do it multiple times on the same receipt. But there was a $6 off for Crest toothpaste coupon, which is why I decided to combine these deals. So let me tell you what I did. I grabbed 3 toothpaste priced at $3. Okay, so that in and of itself is going to get me $5 in Walgreens cash. I then grabbed one more of the toothpaste priced at $3 because I was combining it with the Tresemme. These Tresemmes are priced at $3.99 each. Now, I have the $6 off of the 4 Crest toothpaste digital, as well as a $4 off to Tresemme digital. So I paid $9.98 for all 6 of these items, and I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, making them all free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, how did I use my spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster? Well, I decided to buy these items as well as the Colgate items, and I added the Airheads. Okay, so these were all the items I bought in one transaction, planning to use that spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I also had a spend 15, get $3 in Walgreens cash paper booster. So I handed that coupon to them when I entered my phone number at the register, and they scan it, and that gave me an additional $3 back. So you can stack a digital and a paper booster coupon as long as you're hitting the spend requirements. So for all of these items before coupons, it was $27.45. After coupons, after all the digitals that I just told you about, I paid $13.45 at the register. I did not use Walgreens cash to pay. I paid that out of pocket. But I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 22, $3 in Walgreens cash for spending 15. That was my paper booster. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the Crest deals. I got back $2 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back the $1.49 register reward for the Airheads, as well as $1 back on Ibotta for the Airheads, making everything completely free and a $9.04 moneymaker. So awesome scenario there. Then, like I mentioned, I got the $5 back on Ibotta for the Spice bonus, 25 cents back on Ibotta for the any receipt bonus. So it made the total haul just amazing. And as I'm talking, it reminded me I didn't tell you about this one. All right, Dollar Shave Club. Did this last week. It's a little bit different this week, but still an awesome moneymaker. This face wash, Dollar Shave Club face wash, $6.99. There is a $1.50 digital coupon. We didn't have those last week. So this week, $1.50 digital coupon. So I paid $5.49 for this. This week, these are buy one, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So I got back $2 in Walgreens cash for this. I also submitted my receipt to the ShopKick app because when I scan this item and buy it, they're going to give me back $3.90. So 975 kicks on ShopKick is $3.90. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and Fetch Rewards gave me $1 back, making this face wash free and $1.41 moneymaker. Now, if you're not using ShopKick or Fetch, I also have complete tutorials on those apps. You can use my Fetch Rewards referral code because you will get additional points back when you scan your receipt. I also have a referral code for Shopkick, which would give you an extra $1 back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, again, stay tuned to the end of the video where I'm going to post pictures of the items that I saw on clearance. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and hope you have a great start to your week. Thanks.